Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Checking out another pickup truck today. 72 Chevy C10, and it's really nice, gotta say. It's got a 350 in it, I believe. Let's check it. See here. Actually, 396. It's a really clean truck. I was looking at it earlier. Beautiful paint job on it, red and white. This thing's clean, man. They're asking $60,000, but good luck on that. Inside's really nice. Bed's painted inside. Not seeing any scratches or dents or anything, so it's like it may have been recently painted. It's a damn good looking truck. I always like these C10s, these Chevy C10s, and they're going up in value too, man. So they replaced a lot of the rubber and stuff, and these are the little things you gotta look out for, guys. The felt in these windows and the rubber, they get cracked and dry rotted a lot. And believe me, I've seen a lot of turds in here. Overpriced junk. But this one here seems to be a really nice truck. It's all painted under the hood. Really straight and everything. Yeah, asking $61,000. Wow, it's a lot of money. But it's a really nice truck, though, man. Hey, you guys, leave your comments down below. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel. It's greatly appreciated. I just like going out on the weekend and filming cool cars and trucks for you guys. So, you ever get bored sitting around the house, check out my channel, man. We'll catch you in the next one. And drive safe and have a good day, everybody.